Hello festive friends and welcome back to another Under the Christmas Tree demonstration. Today we're very lucky to have the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar for 2019 with us, and we're going to be taking a look at it. So Look Fantastic have released an Advent Calendar now every year for the last 4 years, and it's always sold out. So if you want to get your hands on this, just if you do, you better do it pretty quick. There is a pre-order available prior to its release on October 1st. And you can go and sign up for that now for free for the information on the pre-order, and obviously you can go pre-order it and it will arrive on your doorstep after the release date. The calendar is going to cost £79, which you might think is quite steep for anything, but actually in terms of the advent calendars and the beauty sector, this is actually pretty middle of the range, especially considering this is worth £420, which is quite a high value for anything, let alone an advent calendar. So I'm going to have a wee look inside, but first of all I just wanted to show you a bit about the design. It is navy blue and gold, which is actually one of my favourite colour coordinations right now, and it's adorned with what look like some snowflakes, and it's really pretty, really festive, but will also fit in with your home decor, which is the kind of thing I like. And it has this sort of diamond on the front that you can use to open it. So let's just take a look inside. So this is the inside of the box, and as you can see it has a whopping 25 windows on it, and actually they're not windows, they're drawers. So the number 25 is right down here. It's this sort of goldy bronzy colour here down the bottom, and it's a drawer, which leads me to believe it's something like a palette. I'm kind of hoping so. I've not looked yet, but I'm hoping so. The design is very similar to that on the front. It just pretty much runs through, the theme runs through the rest of the box. And like I said, there are 25 rather than 24, so you're getting that extra day worth of goodies. I love the fact that these has drawers, because normally with other advent calendars they have got windows, and once they're open you can't close them again really as well as you can with a drawer, let alone place the product back in it. So it's quite frustrating, but this is the opposite. They have drawers, which means it can go back where it came from for a little while until we can find places for it after Christmas, because we all know that that's a problem. So I will not open all of the drawers. I just want you to see a couple of them. We don't want to spoil anything, but I'm going to open up a couple just to show you the kind of thing that you will get. So everyone wants to know what they get on the 1st of December, right? Well, I'm not going to show you what you get on the 1st of December. I want that to be a surprise for you. But I'm going to show you what you get on the 2nd. So I will go and open number 2, which is this one down here. And like you said, I showed you before, it's just a long drawer. And inside here, I'll just show you, you can see it has blue tissue paper, navy blue tissue paper, and it has a little information card, which this one is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD 5 and 4 Styling Treatment. So you add strength and shine to locks with this formula that smooths, volumizes and conditions. With heat protection up to 230 degrees, this colour safe formula gives hair bounce. Comb through damp hair after washing. For best results, blow dry. It says #LFAdvent. And inside you have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5 in 1 Styling Treatment, and you get 30 ml of this, which is ideal for travelling, perfect for trying it out, and really when you're using this kind of product you don't need a huge amount anyway. So what I'm going to do is put this back where it came from, because we find places for these things to stay once Christmas is over with, because I certainly do not have the time to find a place for that right now. And I'll just put that back into number 2 where it came from. So everybody wants me to open up number 25, and everybody wants me to open up number 24 for Christmas Eve. I don't want to spoil it, so I think what I'm going to do is open up number 17 and open up number 23, and that way I've given you one from the start, the middle and the end. So we'll just have a look at number 17, which is this one here, and we'll take a look inside. Take out the tissue paper again, and we have an Emma Hardy Moisture Boost Vitamin and C Cream. Rediscover lost radiance with this vitamin-enriched day cream, formulated with a blend of vitamin B3 and vitamin C. This brightening cream gives skin a youthful luminosity. Apply morning and evening onto cleansed skin. And then you get the Emma Hardy Moisture Boost Cream, and it's like a travel size. You get 20 ml of this, which is going to be great for travelling. Again, like I mentioned though, not everything is travel sized, so bear with me. Hopefully when we get to drawer number 23 it will be something that is full size. But yeah, Emma Hardy is such a brilliant makeup bag, skincare essential. They have got some brilliant products, so yeah, this is going to be popular within the advent calendar. And I'll just put number 17 back into the drawer. And number 23, show yourself. Here you are, that's right. It's up here. And we'll just take a look at this. I can see my colleague right now is giggling behind the camera because I went, show yourself. That's quite funny. So this is the Filorga Meso Mask. Improve the appearance of skin with this anti-wrinkle lightening face mask, which enhances skin's natural radiance. Apply generously to the face, eye contour, neck and décolleté. Leave for 15 to 30 minutes, then remove using damp cotton wool. And inside we have another travel size. I know it sounds like all these products are travel size, but they're not. I'm going to find a full size and show you. And this is the product here. This one is in 15 mils, again perfect for travelling, or if you're somebody like me who regularly has to pack a weekend bag, this is going to be your skin saviour. So I'll just put this away and find you a full size before we finish this video. Okay, so what's the chances we're going to find a full size product this time? Let's go for number 14. Let's go for number 14. Let's see what happens here. Right, so let's just take a really quick look at what is inside. Obviously we know it's a liquid lipstick, but let's just have a look at the shade. This is the shade here. It is a brown toned nude and it's in shade Tehran. So that's really perfect. It pretty much is a universal lip colour because this is going to suit pretty much every skin tone. So that's ideal for over Christmas, and I'm glad we finally got there. We know that this is going to be a smash hit. Again, it's definitely going to get sold out probably long before Christmas. So if, like I said before, if you want to get your hands on it, check out the description bar below where all the information will be. Like I said before, it is £79 but worth $420. And yes, it's definitely action packed, so there's definitely a lot there for you to choose from. There's going to be something that suits everybody, and we think you're really going to like this. So that's all from me today. Check out the description bar below and give this the old thumbs up if you enjoyed this demonstration, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.